Is everybody ready for a Swiss chocolate adventure?
Can I take it out and take it?
Yes.
Will it taste like chocolate?
It grows on the stalk, which I did not expect. Two little flowers. Watch this one.
Francois Louis Caillet founded the oldest brand of chocolate still active in Switzerland today, in Geneva, in 1819. We try it later in the video when we do an honest critique of several Swiss chocolate brands, so stay tuned.
Yeah, we had the Kaiser's, I don't know how it's pronounced. We were in Tesch, and that's in the first chocolate tasting video. Yeah, yep. And that is the oldest
Where did Nathaniel
chocolate
go?
in Switzerland.
We did not care for it all that much.
Yeah, it was okay. It's too sweet for me, for my taste. These are beautiful. The molds are super cool. That would be a big bar of chocolate.
Lindt has some interesting old chocolate television ads on display at the end of the museum tour. It's amazing to watch the 80s to see how much
Keep watching.
sounds so great. And then it turns into a John Waters movie. We have Munz, Golden Alps, and Kalir.
Describe these three for me, please. What do we have here?
Our hosts gave us this first one. It is Golden Alps milk chocolate.
Okay, that's the one on the right here.
No,
that's the one on the
this
left.
one.
Okay.
Number one.
Okay.
Number two is
Number two.
Munz white chocolate, which praline filling.
Huh.
Praline, if you will. And it's also new. And this is the one I chose,
Praline.
which is milk chocolate with
Show the top,
almonds.
please. Flip it all the way over so I can get the.
And it is
There we go.
Calier. Caler? What?
Good enough.
Calier.
Chockmull. So it's got caramel in it?
It has, honeycomb and almonds in it.
Wow. So none
Yes.
of these are straight chocolate.
No.
So this will be interesting.
And what I learned is that Honig in German means honey.
Oh. Thanks for the chocolate, Mike. All right, so final verdict.
None of these are as good as Fasha's.
It's true.
That is a true statement.
Yes.
Y'all don't know what Fasha's is, but we'll get to it eventually, don't worry.
It's a local Connecticut chocolate.
It is a local Connecticut chocolate, from Waterbury, Connecticut, to be more specific. So the white chocolate. Well, let's start with the the middle one here, the Golden Alps, which is milk chocolate. It's the only like chocolate, because the other one, this one has stuff added. This one is white chocolate. What's interesting is this one was very sweet. It's very Cadbury-like, Too much sugar for me, too much sugar for Laura. Rowan really enjoyed it quite a bit, actually, because they do really enjoy sugar. Then we have...
It's generic tasting, I'm going to be honest.
Yeah, well,
It's delicious tasting.
some people love Cadbury, dear. So then we have the white chocolate, which ironically had less sugar than the milk chocolate, which actually made it very enjoyable for a white chocolate, even for those of us who aren't all that into white chocolate.
Yeah, exactly.
It was still pretty darn
Yeah,
good.
it's good.
The loud opinionated one next to me can go now about this one.
It was good. I thought that was my favorite. It has honeycomb and almonds in it. It was my favorite of the three, but that's not saying much.
Sadly, she's wrong.
I have high
This one was good.
expectations.
So,
For more.
basically the results here just warrant further investigation. We will be buying more chocolates to try. All right, so tonight we are beginning stage 3 of the Swiss chocolate tasting. We have not found anything yet that we like better than our local fashas that we get at home. Found a lot of very sweet things and some, big brands that have not really held up. So today we're trying a couple of smaller things. I have a lot of high hopes for anything that would have such a generic label on it. So we'll see what the thoughts are on these. All right, so here's the verdict. This is the milk chocolate made by Kerman locally and is really freaking good. Possibly the best we've had so far, except this Fabergé is also really, really good. It has a little bit of help because it's got some nuts in it, but oh my God,
that's my favorite
really
so far. I think so. They're both very good, though.
I don't think I can choose between the two. We have one more tester to try, so we'll tell you what they say in a minute. All right, so we have a second vote for this one.
You're voting for this one.
I'm voting for...
Jake said he couldn't...
I'm voting for this one.
Sorry, Rowan said he could not choose between the two.
Right. Which, honestly, I have to agree. I don't know which one I would like better. Which one I do like better.
We would have to try the plain version of this to really do apples to
Yeah, I
apples.
don't know. It gets a little bit of an edge from having the extra nuts, but I would pick either. I don't know. This one also seems more independent, so I don't know. We'll see.